Let's get you another big story of the day. A day after the court blast claimed one life and 6 people sustained serious injuries, Section 144 has been imposed in Ludhiana. As per sources, Pak Khalistani link is being probed by Punjab police. Another angle that is being probed in the case is the possible involvement of gangsters. As per the initial probe, the deceased is the prime suspect in the case, and the Punjab CM Charanjit Singh Channi is scheduled to hold a press briefing at 10 a.m. in Punjab Bhavan. The State Home Minister held talks with Punjab DGP for 3 hours last night. Right, so major security lapse that had been reported in Ludhiana. In fact, there was a major blast that took place in one of the courts in Ludhiana, and one person was left dead while 6 others were injured. In fact, now multi-agency probe has been launched in this particular case, and police is actually looking at a possible Pakistan Khalistani link into this entire incident. Another angle which is on probe agency's radar is, of course, the possible involvement of gangsters. And as per the initial probe, the deceased himself was the prime suspect in the case. And now Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi is going to hold a press briefing at 10 a.m. in Punjab Bhavan today. He's expected to give more details as to what really happened there in Ludhiana. Remember, polls are scheduled to take place in this particular state in few weeks' time. And at that point of time, we are seeing such a major security lapse in one of the most highly secured areas of Ludhiana, one of the major cities in Punjab. In fact, the State Home Minister also held talks with Punjab DGP for 3 hours last night, basically reviewing the entire probe status, what exactly happened, what are the security measures which need to be in place now as a precautionary measure. Of course, if we talk about Ludhiana specifically, Section 144 has been imposed in the entire city. As of now, this is a day after the court blast claimed one life and 6 people sustained serious injuries, and now several other angles are emerging in this particular case. Pak Khalistani link is being probed by Punjab police. Another angle that is being probed in the case is the possible involvement of gangsters. In fact, let me go across to our correspondent Gurpreet, who will give us more details and more updates on this big story. Gurpreet, good morning. So we know that multi-agencies probe has been launched in this particular case, and several angles are being looked at, including Pak Khalistani link and also possible involvement of gangster. Any concrete word that we can expect from the CM himself today, now that he's going to address a presser?
Well, that last night we have seen that multiple agencies, whether it's NIA, NSG, as well as the local police, and even from the top officer from Chandigarh, they had reached here. The investigation was carried out, and what we have learned that from the sources, the theory which was emerging from all over the investigation yesterday, they say that it seems that it could be handiwork of the suicide bomber, and he has gone to the washroom to just fix the bomb when this blast had taken place. So now today Chief Minister will definitely clear the air that what was the conspiracy, because yesterday we have seen that Home Minister of Punjab Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa along with the Chief Minister of Punjab Charanjit Singh Channi, they visited the spot. They tried to get all the details from the top officers, and today the press conference is going to be held at around 10 a.m. in Punjab Bhavan in Chandigarh, where the Chief Minister of Punjab will explore that what was the reason behind this not taking control of this law and order situation. If we can talk about specifically Punjab, for the last 1 week we have seen series of incidents had been taken place in Punjab, where it seems that law and order is not in a proper grip of the state. So what we have learned from a few minutes ago, we had a word with the Congress Neta also. He was also saying, yes, of course, it could be handiwork of Pakistan pro Khalistani, because yesterday the hint was given by the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab, Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, who is also holding a charge of Home Ministry. He was saying that there is possibility that this conspiracy had been hatched across the border. So all things are working and all the angles are being probed by the police at this point of time. And we were trying to talk to the top officers here in Ludhiana, but they are reluctant to reveal any information by saying that it is very sensitive case, and at this point of time they don't want that investigation should be hampered at any cost. So yesterday we have seen that when NIA has come, forensic team has been called from Chandigarh because they are trying to collect all the evidence from the spot, and that is a need of the hour to connect the dots in this case. And why this blast had taken place in the washroom, that is the biggest question for the police also, and that's why the probe is going on these angles to find out that why that person had gone inside. And we have seen it is very clear, the commissioner of police, he has already made it very clear that the person who had been died in that blast, he is the prime suspect in this case. So that means they are working on the suicide bomber theory at this point of time. But the more things, more details we are expecting that the Chief Minister of Punjab, when he is going to hold a press conference, he will definitely tell to the people of Punjab, he will explain that what type of the conspiracy they are talking about. And moreover, we have seen last night a 3 hours continuous meeting was held between the DGP as well as the Home Minister to understand why the law and order is not under the control of Punjab police, because series of incidents are happening in Punjab. And today what we have learned from the sources at about 11 o'clock, DGP of Punjab will hold a meeting with all the top officers of Punjab so that he will be able to take a stock of the situation all over Punjab, and they will be able to understand what is the next strategy for the police, because elections are coming. We have seen that yesterday a lot of attack from the Congress netas, and they are hinting that there could be a reason because the conspiracy has been hatched because of the election which is coming here. So it's very sensitive case which is happening in Punjab, and before the polls such cases are indicating a lot of questions which are still unanswered. The police is probing all these angles, and let's see that what angle is emerging at this point of time, as multiple theories are being floated by the police at this point of time. And last night, if we can talk about the spot that had been sealed, the court complex had been sealed, and the forensic team had collected all the evidence late night, and the team was investigating all these things. And now it's the time to explore theory. The Chief Minister is expected to tell that what is emerging out of this investigation which has been held yesterday since this incident had taken place.
In fact, yeah, all eyes will be set on that particular presser that will be held by the Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi at 10 a.m. today. We will be tracking all the developments taking place on this big story. But for now, let's slip into a very short break.